In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find transactions in QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just getting started with QuickBooks Online, this guide will walk you through each step so you can easily locate your transactions. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the sign-in option at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be directed to choose your QuickBooks platform. For our purposes, we'll select QuickBooks Online. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password at the ready and type them in the provided fields. Once you've entered your credentials, click Continue. This will log you into your QuickBooks Online account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find your transactions. To do this, locate the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the page. This is your search tool. Click on it and a dialog box will pop up. The search function in QuickBooks Online is quite intuitive, making it easier to quickly find what you're looking for. Within the dialog box, look towards the bottom and you'll spot a link for Advanced Transaction Search. Click on this link to access the advanced search features. Here you can specify various criteria to help narrow down your search, such as the transaction type, date range, amount, and even specific accounts tied to the transactions. This feature is particularly useful if you're dealing with a large volume of transactions and need to locate a specific one quickly. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into how these advanced search options work. For example, if you remember only partial details of a transaction, you can use keywords or phrases related to it. The search tool will scan the information you enter against your transaction history and pull up the closest matches. You can then refine these results by adjusting the filters to suit your needs better. It's also worth noting that QuickBooks allows you to save frequently used searches, saving you time in the future when accessing similar information. Simply execute a search with your preferred criteria and then save it for quick access next time. Overall, this search functionality is a powerful tool at your disposal, streamlining your financial management processes by ensuring you can locate essential transaction data with ease. Whether you're reconciling your accounts, investigating discrepancies, or simply wanting to review your recent financial activity, this feature will prove invaluable. And there you go, that's how you can find transactions in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy bookkeeping.